Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this Bang Bang chicken and green beans meal prep. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're cooking from my Live Life Keto cookbook. We are cooking Bang Bang chicken and green beans meal prep. It is on page 100 and look at how amazing it is. It makes 4 meal prep servings. And I am super excited to have this in my refrigerator for the rest of the week for meal prep for lunch. So we're gonna get started on this easy recipe. We've got a large skillet that we're going to heat over about medium to medium high heat. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to the pan. This recipe is super easy. It's not only just for meal prep. You could definitely make this for a weeknight meal for your kids. It is just a little bit spicy, but not too much. If you wanted to, you could leave out the sriracha or not put as much if you don't really care for spice. But yeah, it is super simple. It can be ready in less than 30 minutes. So it's perfect for weeknights, for picky eaters. Let me tell you, my kids are picky. So I know exactly what you mean if you think your kids are picky. So I'm going to go ahead and put in, I've got 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs that we've cut into smaller pieces. So I'm going to add this to the skillet. You can see or hear our skillet is nice and hot. So I'm going to cook these with my spatula, getting them browned and cooked all the way through. It's going to take about 8 minutes. Okay, I'm going to finish this one up. I'm going to turn the heat off. And now we're going to add the sauce ingredients straight into the skillet. Got a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of granulated sweetener, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, the juice of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, we're gonna stir this all up. Okay, that looks good. So now we're going to meal prep this. I'm gonna set it aside, and I've got 4 meal prep containers that are all the same size. So you can just choose whichever meal prep containers you prefer. These are glass, microwave safe meal prep containers. And I've got some steamed green beans, nothing special. So I'm going to divide that evenly, and I'm going to season the green beans with some salt. You could season them however you like, but what I like is to use some of the sauce from the chicken to mix with the green beans. So now we're going to evenly divide the chicken mixture in with our green beans. Now, how good does that look? We've got lids. We're gonna just put the lids on, put them in the refrigerator, and now we've got meal prep for 4 lunches, and it took less than 30 minutes. You're going to love this recipe, and I guarantee you, you will love my cookbook. If you're interested in pre-ordering or ordering your copy, depending on when you're watching this video, you can just follow the link below to order your copy, or you can just go to jenniferbands.com/keto cookbook, or you can just search Live Life Keto where books are sold to order your copy. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.